Alright, we're going to go on a little test drive here. Just wanted to show you everything on the truck. The radio playing here. It's got a CD player, also a cassette deck, dual climate zones, sunroof, auto windows, front, actually both driver and passenger side. Everything works on it. Everything works good on it. There's no electrical issues, nothing that doesn't work. It's automatic 4x4. It also has since it's a limited, it has the all-wheel drive feature. It is a 2x4, 4x4 mode, so you can have it in 2x4 to save on gas, or you can click this all-wheel drive button that when the truck needs to be in 4-wheel drive, it'll automatically go, or you have an actual 4-wheel drive system along with 4Low. Since it's a limited, let's back up. This is a 2000 Toyota 4Runner. It's got the 3.4 liter V6. It does have 177,000 miles, actually almost 178,000 miles. But I know for a fact that it's had two timing belt replacements. It had one at 95,000, which was the first one, and it had its most recent one at 170,000. He is my best friend, owns this vehicle. He's meticulous. He's in the Air Force, and just standard military guy. Very adamant about changing fluids and changing belts, changing you name it. It's that change. All fluids have been flushed and changed. It does have the rear diff lock button, you can see here, and it does not have any check engine lights. Most major maintenance he's done to it is he put brand new catalytic converters in it. They were bad, and he spent over $1,000 on that. It does not get hot. Its current temperature right now is the temperature it's always at, and we are moving now, so you can see everything shifts. I'll try to get up to speed a little bit more. There's no check engine lights, and it is shift on the fly. If we wanted to put it in 4-wheel drive now, we would just pull back on this guy, and then that light up there, you can see clicked in. We can just push forward, and then that light goes off. Also, we can hit this button right here, and now you notice the light is there. It's giving us a 4-wheel drive flashing. That means it's not engaged right now, but if it, there we go. See, your center diff lock's not on. So what that means is that it's not currently spinning 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, but if we started to slip, then it would kick in. So that's kind of a nice mode, especially in cold climates with snow or ice or anything like that. So you just click that off, and we're in a little traffic, but I'm gonna go around these guys so you can hear the motor. Can't go too fast, cars coming up here. It does have a great amount of pickup, and with the way this engine has been kept, this vehicle will last easily over 300,000 miles, if not even more. It just all depends on maintenance, and oil changes are very important. I know because my sister bought a little 4Runner a few months ago and only had 90,000 miles on it, but the guy she bought it from, little did she know, never changed the oil, and within a week of buying it, she was putting a new motor in it because he had spun a bearing in it. And with this one, it's on the original motor and will be on the original motor as long as it's kept. So brakes are good. They were all replaced. Let's see, what all did I have? I had a timing belt, O2 sensors, catalytic converter, oil changes, rear front diffs, transfer cases, all that changed. We had the tranny flushed. We had the radiator flushed. The AC blows nice and cold. It has a power window for the rear, and it works good. I don't know if you can see that. And does have the digital. And this is your temperature here. Let's see if we can get on that. And then this is your. That really kick on. Has a good heater in it, and I think that's everything. Speakers are. I mean, it sounds good if we turn on some. The power antenna actually is there, which is kind of rare. Most of these get removed or they break, and this one actually works. And you'll watch it when I turn off the stereo. It should. There we go. It's retracting out there, and we'll go back on, and it comes back up. So let's see. All the leather's in good shape. There's no tears. The seat I was sitting on has a small pinhole in it. It could be fixed. There are definitely some wear marks. Back seats look brand new. They've never been used. This car's never been smoked in. And carpet's very clean. I looked at it today. Took all the photos. It's got the power mirrors. The seats fold down in the back, and I will show you that later.